been times in history when the rate of change was so fast that events outpaced our ability to hold them long enough to learn their lessons or to make the connections with the past that should have been preserved for our children. We've lived in such a time. It was the soul-searing, change-producing period of World War II.
The nature of democracy is that it will never stay fixed. It was not designed to. Each generation, each succeeding generation, has to recreate democracy in its time or it will die. The 39% turnout 4 years ago was predictive of the 40% turnout in the most recent presidential election. An election in which only 17% of those between 18 and 29 voted. But that 61% of us over 50 did. So we're opting for yesterday rather than preparing for tomorrow.
It's so nice to meet you.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Thank you. Get up to the exhibits because they're wonderful.
Well, thank you.
Thank you so much. It's an honor to be in your presence.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
I'll have to show my grandkids they want to appreciate it.
Yes, you need to tell them.
Yeah, we need to talk to them now. Thank you so much.
Thank you.